GPS and signals from the rocks above the pass. The cowboys take position in the bushes and the grass. The squirrel's with the corporal, she is tied against the tree. She doesn't mind the language, it's the beating she don't need. She lets loose all the horses when the corporal is asleep. And he waits to find the fire's head and arrows in his hand. And Davy Coffin rides around and says it's cool for cats, it's cool for cats. The Swedish doing naughty cause they got nowhere to go. They get a gang of villains in a shed up at Heathrow. They're carrying out the fibres when the anchors stop again. In and out at once and with the numbers on their names. It's funny how the missus always looks the bleeding same. And meanwhile at the station there's a couple of lighty lads who swear like housing father and they're very cool for cats, they're cool for cats. To change the mood a little, I'm imposing down the pub. I see in my reflection, I'm looking slightly rough. I fancy this, I fancy that, I want a piece of flash. I give a little muscle and I spend a little cash. But all I get is bitter and a nasty little rash. And by the time I'm sober, I've forgotten what I've had. And everybody tells me that it's cool to be a cat. Cool for cats. At the disco and I think I've got them all. I ask her lots of questions and she hangs on the wall. I kiss her for the first time and then she take her home. I'm finding in for coffee and I give the dog a bone. But all I get is disco and she's never on her own. And by the time I'm sober I've forgotten what I've had. And everybody tells me that it's cool to be a cat. Cool for cats.
There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Can we have a big round of applause or a cheer or wolf whistles?